Hey, let me ask you something that might feel uncomfortable. What would happen if you didn't make any lifestyle changes? If you kept doing exactly what you're doing right now for the next year? Stick with me. This simple question, this thought experiment, could be the most powerful tool you ever use to stay motivated on your keto journey. Point number 1. Why we avoid the "what if I don't" question. Most of us focus on what we need to do. I need to cut carbs, I need to meal prep, I need to be more disciplined, but we rarely stop to ask, what happens if I don't? That's a powerful question because it forces us to imagine the true cost of not taking action. Maybe it's more weight gain, more fatigue, another year of health problems and going to the doctors excessively, or maybe it's just staying stuck in a body and mindset that you know isn't serving you. Avoiding this question keeps us in denial. Facing it can give us the wake-up call we need. Point number 2. Thought experiments create emotional clarity. Thought experiments help bring the future into the present. When you visualize what your life will look like if you don't change, you feel the consequences now before they hit. But here's the best part. You can flip it. Imagine your life if you do commit. What would happen if you just started and stayed consistent, even imperfectly, for 6 months to a year? Better energy, sharper focus, a healthier body, more confidence. That contrast, the pain of staying the same versus the reward of changing, builds serious emotional momentum. Point number 3. Use this simple tool weekly. Here's how to make this practical. Once a week, ask yourself, what will my life look like in 1 year if I keep doing what I'm doing? What could my life look like if I take action? Write it down. Visualize it. You'll stop relying on willpower and start using purpose to fuel your actions. It's not about being perfect. It's about staying aligned with the future you want to create. So next time you feel stuck, don't just think about what you should do. Ask yourself, what happens if you don't? This thought experiment might just be the mindset breakthrough you need. If this message resonates with you, like the video, drop a comment below, and certainly I'd appreciate it if you subscribe for more strategies to support your keto journey inside and out. See you in the next video.